Um, Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you guys a little bit about our database design. So, we have the design here, the visualization here, and we put the link in the description of the video so you can view this visualization. But I'm gonna talk about the tables here. So first of all, we are making an e-commerce website where we sell products to users. So we must have the users and users information and user addresses. So these are the addresses that a user can use to specify where they want to receive the product, and it has a foreign key where the address.userid is a reference to the user.id. And next we have the products. Products will include the ID, name, the original price, the current price, the type, the short description, the scale rate, rating average, favorite count, thumbnail URL, the quantity sold, description, inventory status, review count, and brand ID so that I can get the brands from the database, and the category ID. So to get the category, we also have the product images, which has a product ID and URL. So the product images dot product ID will reference to the products dot ID. And next we have the brand, which is here. So the products dot brand ID will reference to this ID. But did I include it yet? Sorry, so I haven't included here. Okay. And for the product warranty, we have the product ID, the warranty name, and the warranty value. So the warranty product dot product ID will reference to products dot ID. And next we have the categories. So the category, they will have category will have many children categories, and the sub categories will also have the sub categories. So we need to have the parent category here so we can know which is a parent of which category. We have the URL, which can stand for which can help us to navigate to the page where we display the products in that category faster. And we have the name of the category, the image of that category. Then we have reference from the products.category ID, so we will reference to categories.id. Next we have the categories.parent category ID will reference to another categories.id. And next we have the table breadcrumbs, and this table is used to take all the categories from root to the leaf categories where the products is at. So we have the programs.category ID. So it will reference to category, and it will also reference to a product. So the programs.carry ID will reference to a carrier's ID, and the programs.product ID will reference to products.id. And we have the product specifications. So we have the ID of the product, and we have the name for the specification, what we need to specify at, and then we have the attributes for the specification. So we need to have the because one specification will have many attributes, so we need to design the database this way. So we have the name and the value of each attribute, and now we have the reference from the product specifications to the product and the attributes to the specification. Now we have the configurable products, because each product will have many colors or options about their RAM, their ROM. So we need to have the configurable products. And now we have ID, product ID, inventory status will stand for if that configurable products is available or not, the name, and the option of the configurable products, because like we have many options of colors and many options of RAM, so we combine it, and then we have option of colors and option of RAM for example, and then is configurable product images. So each of the color of the configurable products we have an image. So we have many images, so we need to have this table, and then we have the configurable options. Will, like I explained above, we need to have options like color or RAM or something, and then we have the values for that option, and it's just reference from options to configurable options to products, and option values to option. And next we have the wish list for user. So user can put a product into the wish list. So we have this one, and then the cart. So user can add the items into the cart too. So we need to have a user ID so that this cart is belong to that user, and we have a total which keep track of the total amount of money in the cart. And they need to reference to users.id, and here we have the cart item, we have the cart ID, the products.id, and the configurable product.id, and we also have the quantity. So user can buy many a big, like not just one product, one quantity. And next we have the order details. So this is a table for the for keep track of the orders. So we have the user ID, the payment ID, and the total amount. And then when we need to get the order item, so we need to have a table order item here, which will have reference to the order table, the product table, product config table, quantity, and that price at that time. And lastly, we have the payment details, which has the ID, order ID, amount, the provider of the payment and the status of the payment, and we have a simple reference from the payment order ID to the order details. And that's all about our database design. So if you have any question, you can comment down below in the comment section. Thanks for listening.